Let me finish unpacking this. What is this? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessica. I post anything and everything about my life, whether it's cooking videos, travel and adventure videos, or reactions and reviews. Welcome to part 11 and the final part of me unboxing packages I recently received. Let me just show you a sneak peek of all the other videos that I just filmed. You see that? I unboxed all of those throughout the week. So if you want to see any other packages that I received and unboxed, all the videos will either be linked in the description below or on a card. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. I believe it is my replacement order for Lauren Asher's books that I ordered a few months ago. A little while back I posted a video where I unboxed my Lauren Asher order. They all arrived damaged. I was so gutted. And then I posted about it. I tagged UPS and all the shipping companies, and Lauren Asher reached out. She sent me a replacement order. Can we take a moment? Look how the box is just perfect this time. Oh my gosh. Let's hope the books inside are good too. Just like last time, they are individually wrapped in pink wrapping, which I love this pink wrapping. I'm a bit nervous because I didn't ask Lauren Asher, and I didn't want to ask her because I didn't want to bother her. But I don't know if these copies are going to be signed or not, and that's the thing. Someone messaged me when I was talking about my damaged copies and how I was getting a replacement order. They DM'd me and they asked what I was going to do with my damaged books, and I said I wasn't sure yet because those are personally signed and they have my name on them and personalized messages, so I'm not sure what to do with them. Like I think I'm gonna keep them because I wouldn't want to give away those. They're like personally signed and like they mean a lot to me even though they were damaged. They still are on my shelf and I still want to have them in my life. I'm like, I'm so weird, but yeah, that's like how I feel right now. But anyways, let's open this up. Stop! What the heck? We're starting off with my favorite book? You're kidding. It's perfect, right? Stop! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She actually personally signed them again. You're kidding me. That is so sweet. I was not expecting Lauren to write again because personally signing books takes forever. So I'm so grateful that she signed them again. The personal message for the previous copy was Jessica, dance in the rain. For my new copy, it says, Jessica, don't let your worries win, with the heart, and it says LA. And for the character signatures, it's the same. Let's open the next one. If Lauren Asher planned that and put Wrecked on top, she knows me too well, because Wrecked is literally my favorite from the entire series. If you had to read one of the books, I would recommend Wrecked. It is everything and more. Collided. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. Wow. Okay, I take that back kind of. Why is it? I feel really bad. Look, the inside here has like glue on here, so I feel like it's gonna fall off, so I'm really nervous about that. It says, Jessica, chase after your dreams. And then the same character message. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. It looks like it's really fragile, so I'm gonna be careful with that one. Throttled. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Oh my gosh. It says, Jessica, thank you for all your support. It means so much to me, with the heart, and it says LA. And then the character signature is the same as the previous book. Oh, the fine print. Okay, it's again, it's perfect. Why couldn't this happen the first time? Why did we have so much trouble the first time with UPS? Jessica, make your own sunshine. And then it's the same character signature as the previous book. The last book. No way! I was honestly not sure that I was gonna get the bookmark. And it's perfect. It's perfect this time. Like, oh my gosh, why couldn't this happen the first time? I'm so sorry, Lauren. Like, I wish that it worked out the first time, and I'm so sorry, but I'm also so grateful that you sent the replacement order. Let me finish unpacking this. What is this? I'm gonna cry. I know, wait, what? Was this intentional? She sent a Kingston sticker. You're kidding. Oh my god, I'm actually like starting to tear up. Okay, hold on. Wait, and a Bandini sticker. Stop. I'm actually tearing up. Like, I can't right now. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. And redeemed. It's perfect. It's perfect. Jessica, find beauty in chaos. That was my favorite quote. And then it's the same character signature. Words can't explain how I'm literally gonna start. I can't. Words can't explain how I'm feeling right now. I'm literally tearing up. I'm honestly so grateful. Thank you so much, Lauren, for sending me the replacement package. And not only did you send me the replacement package, you sent 2 stickers as well. Jax Kingston is my favorite. Him and Noah. And I can't believe oh my gosh, thank you so much. And the bookmark, it's beautiful and it's perfect. Last time when I received it, it was bent at the top here. Honestly, we don't need to talk about it. If you want to know, just go check out the previous video. I'm so happy with how these arrived, and I'm so happy that the shipping company, like UPS, whoever ships it, I'm so happy that they decided, okay Jess, we'll let you have a day. These books mean the world to me, and words can't explain how I'm feeling right now. They mean so much to me. Collided looks a little rough, that cover, but honestly, like, they're so beautiful. And you bet your buns I'm gonna be posting a bunch of Dirty Air content and the fine print content. I've talked about this so many times in my previous book related videos. It's difficult being a bookish creator and not having the physical copies in your hand whenever filming a transition video or any type of video that needs a book. I'm not saying it's impossible, you can still include a sticker of the book, but actually showing the physical copy on screen is just, it brings the video to the next level. And so I'm so happy that these came in and they're all good and I can start filming. You're killing me here. I'm literally gonna be in tears. You're killing me. The sticker, the quality is here, y'all. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I need to, I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm so happy. Words can't even explain. Like, I can't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video here before I start to cry happy tears. I'm just so in love and I'm so happy that they came in and they're good. They're perfect. Remember last time? Look at this. They're perfect. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. I did. I am so happy. I am so content with my life. If today was the last day on earth for me, I would be okay with that. Thank you again, Lauren, for reaching out to me and sending me a replacement order. It means the world and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much again for the beautiful books and for the stickers. Oh my gosh. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell. And until next time, I'll see you later.